Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can get Frax using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First open Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section, and at the wallet section on the top of the screen you should see these four buttons, the send, receive, buy and swap buttons. Now here, if you want to get Frax, you can either buy them or receive them. Now tap on the one that you choose and start typing in Frax. And it's going to pop up, and when you have found it, you just have to tap on it. And Trust Wallet is going to generate your own personal QR code. And with this personal QR code, you can receive Frax in your Trust Wallet immediately. You can also use this QR code if you have coins in different wallet. You can scan this QR code and transfer them directly to your Trust Wallet if you want to have them in one place. You can also use the copy icon, which is going to copy your Trust Wallet address, and you can use that for transactions as well. The second icon on the bottom is a very interesting feature where you can type in an exact amount of coins, let's say 295, and when you tap on confirm, it's going to generate a new personal QR code. And with this new personal QR code, you can receive this exact amount of coins, which is a great feature for transactions or payments where you actually need to receive an exact amount. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.